Hello, my name is Gabby. Welcome to Gadgets with Gabby. Ever wonder how some teachers make online classes look so fun and interactive,
while others still fight with PowerPoint? The secret's not magic. It's smart tech.
Traditional online teaching tools can be frustrating, slow, disconnected, and totally unengaging. Teachers and students both struggle to stay focused.
That's where the Smart Whiteboard comes in. It's an AI-powered tool that turns any screen into a fun, collaborative workspace. Whether you're teaching math, art, or business, it makes your lessons come alive. You can draw, write, and interact in real time. Students can join from anywhere and see everything instantly. Plus, it works perfectly even in small spaces, ideal for renters, creators, or teachers working from home. This smart whiteboard is redefining online teaching. If you're tired of boring Zoom calls, this might just be your new favorite gadget. Comment Smart Teacher below
if you'd try this in your class or workspace. I'm Gabby, and this is Gadgets with Gabby.
Your weekly dose of smart tech that makes everyday life easier.